Hey my lovelies, and welcome. And today we are going to do a skincare routine, a morning skincare routine. So I've already done my face, I've already washed it, and I washed it with the Beauty Bay Super Jelly Cleansing Gel Probiotic Plus Avocado for rebalancing and refreshing all skin types. Your skin after this is refreshed. I love using it because it really refreshes you. It is a jelly cleanser and it feels really good against your skin. My skin, every time I wash it and pat my skin dry, my skin feels really smooth. So next I'm going to be using a exfoliating toner. I normally use this with a cotton bud, but since I've watched Genevieve's skincare routine, she places it all with her hands and pats it on. I'm going to try that. So you can use this with your hands, and I love this. As you can see, I've got so little left. So I'm just going to put a couple drops. Gonna rub it into my hands and just pat it on my face, because she goes, when you pat it onto your face it absorbs in a lot better. So I've started doing that, and she's right, it does absorb into your face. I was like, what the hell, my skin has absorbed so much and it feels so good just to do that. Now afterwards my face does go a little bit red, just because it is an exfoliating, it is an acid trip exfoliating toner from Beauty Bay as well. I like this. It for decongesting and smoothing skin, which that is for smoothing skin. I absolutely do love it, and I like it. It does get rid of spots, but just a little bit at a time. The best one to get rid of spots and scarring is the Ole Henderson Glow H2O toner, which I love. I love that one so much. I'm going to get more of that. And that one's okay if you want smooth skin, you know. Next, I'm going to use an eye cream. I use an eye cream just because I'm getting old. I'm 33 years old. I'm getting old, and I'm getting like wrinkles. I've always got wrinkles, but now they're getting really bad. So I'm going to use an eye cream. This is what I got in the glossy box. This is Avant 3-in-1 Hyaluronic Filler Collagen Eye Formula, and it says apply morning and evening onto clean, dry skin around the eyes. So what I'm going to do is I only take a little bit of this and apply it directly onto my finger. And then I'm just going to rub it onto my finger, rub it, and then I'm going to smooth it and pat it onto my under eye. I do take it onto my lids for some reason, I don't know why. I'm just going to pat it on. I normally rub, but because your eye is sensitive, you need to pat it on. It does work. If you start patting the skincare products onto your face, you'll realise the difference. It's that good. There we go. So I've just patted it onto my skin, under my eyes, and it's just so good. I just love it so much. Next, it is a serum. I don't normally use serums, but I got this one inside of a glossy box again. This is in January's glossy box, and it is a moisturising serum. It is fragrance-free, e-cooking, and it's vegan, and it's just a moisturising serum. So I'm just going to push a little bit of that onto my hand. I like the cap for it, because then you just can't squeeze down, you know what I mean? You can't go down. I'm going to rub this into my hands, and then we're going to pat again. Oh, I always need a little bit more just to take it down to my neck. This gets really slimy, by the way. I like to take it down to my neck and just massage my neck, because I've got no thyroid. It's just a bit better. I'm just going to rub it onto my chest. I started doing this recently, and I found a difference in my skin. Like, I found a huge difference. Like, it was so good how much of a difference I could find onto my skin with this. It's a good difference. It's so good though. I've never patted any skincare onto my skin, and I feel like since I've been doing it this way, my skin has really, I've seen a difference in my skin. So the second to last product I'm going to use is a moisturiser. This is the Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidant Duo Moisturiser. It's from Avant again, same as the eye cream. I got these from Glossy Box. I'm just going to put an amount in my hand. I've got so many skincare from Glossy Box, which I'm really happy, so I can just keep testing them. But my true love of skincare, the one brand I love so much, is Ole Henderson, and it's so good. I'm just going to pop it onto, and this comes out blue as well, so I'm just going to moisturise that. Just moisturise it down my neck. I take good care of my neck, because when you're having a thyroid, you need to take care of your neck, because I've got a scar on my neck, so I take good care of it. You won't be able to see it, which is alright, but I just love it for this. And I push up. I always push up. I get a little push up. I do this as well, just with my knuckles. don't know if I'm doing it right, but I just push up, and then my neck I push up as well. So I just keep pushing up until all the cream is in there. The last step I do take is the Utan Extra Genevieve CBD tanning water. It does make your face go tan, but trust me, it gets rid of redness. Oh my god, it just makes your skin look so good, and it's infused with CBD and Scottish lavender oil, and I love this stuff. I just fan my face. So this is my skin after all the skincare up close. I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's very glowy, very hydrating. Because I've just sprayed spray, you're going to see the sprayness. But once the spray's done down, as in this side, my skin's very glowy, it's very hydrating, it's very moisturised. Even my neck is very moisturised on my neck. I just love this stuff. I feel like it's a champion. Like, I love how my skincare is. I do this. I do have slightly different skincare at night if I pamper myself, but it's fine. But this is my skin up close, and I absolutely love how glowy it is, how moisturised it is, how rejuvenated it is. It just looks so good, and there's no wetness on my face now, and you can see there's a glow. So that was my morning skincare routine. If you want me to do a nighttime skincare routine, just please let me know. Hope you do enjoy this video. Please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.